This is a neat activity to show how vibrations make sounds for every family in the orchestra. I've made these for my second grade students and I'd like to show you how to make them. To start, for each student you will need 2 water bottles. The stronger the plastic on the water bottle, the better it'll turn out, but also the harder it is to cut. You will also need a hot glue gun, rice, a funnel to put the rice into one of the water bottles, a pack of straws, some strong scissors, rubber bands, and balloons. After we make sure our water bottle is completely dry, we can put our funnel in and pour the rice into the bottle. After we've put the rice in our shaker bottle, we will take the hot glue gun and make sure that we glue the lid on so our students don't accidentally make a mess. For the second bottle, we need to cut the bottom off. If we have a thicker bottle, this will be more difficult, but ultimately it'll be a better quality instrument. After I cut off the bottom, I need to go around one more time just to make sure there's no rough edges that might accidentally snag on my students' clothing. This bottle is going to act like a brass instrument, so now I need to take the balloon and cut the top portion off of the balloon. Once I take the lid off of the bottle, I will put the balloon inside, and the part of the balloon that I usually blow on is the part that's going to go over the lip of the bottle. If I buzz my lips while I blow in there, it'll be like a brass mouthpiece. Now it's time for me to glue my shaker bottle and my brass mouthpiece bottle together. I take 3 lines of hot glue and put them on the larger bottle, and then I glue the smaller bottle to it. Next, I'm going to take some rubber bands and I'm going to rubber band them together. This does 2 things. First of all, it makes sure that the glue sticks and that those 2 bottles will stay together. This also acts like the string instrument portion of my instrument, where the students will be able to pluck on it. I'll do 3 rubber bands on the body of the instrument and 1 rubber band around the neck. For the woodwind portion of this instrument, we will take a straw and really flatten out one end of it. Once that end is good and flat, we will cut a V shape into it. This will act almost like a reed for the students to blow into and to make a small buzzing or vibrating sound. We can just tuck that straw into the mouthpiece so all the portions of the instrument are easily available for the students to play. As I've been making these for my over 60 second grade students, I've noticed that the weaker the water bottle, the easier it is to cut into it, but then the more the rubber bands crush them when I put the rubber bands on. So stronger water bottles are better for this activity. So this one instrument represents percussion, string instrument, brass instrument, and woodwind. 1, 2, here you go.